Hello there and welcome back. Today we will be taking you through the top Caribbean paradise with jaw-dropping tour experiences. You could picture that you're sitting on a white sand beach, tropical drink in hand, without a care in the world. For the ultimate stress-free beach vacation, it's hard to beat a luxurious Caribbean all-inclusive resort. Of course, with so many options spread across the islands, it can be hard to choose the perfect spot for your next vacation. You'll want to select somewhere with beautiful accommodations, great food and drinks, fun included activities, and stunning views. Well, you don't have to break a sweat as we have come through the list of the best resorts in the Caribbean and pulled the all-inclusive properties that receive the most recommendations and positive user experiences. In no particular order at all, we will be introducing you to these fascinating beauties. Before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Okay, let's tour then. Kamalame Cay. This private island off the coast of Andros in a Bohemian oasis, offering an upscale and secluded experience, complete with powdery sand beaches and lush foliage. With the guest of house rate, guests can enjoy a daily continental breakfast delivered to their rooms and unlimited meals, beverages, spirits, and house wines from the Tiki Bar and the Great House. So the only thing they need to worry about is applying more sunscreen during days on the beach. The fire pit in front of the Tiki Bar glows brightly at 3 a.m. A 15-foot inferno condensed into an oval of incandescent coal. A pair of gold, flower-embroidered Gucci sandals glints in the surrounding field of drained champagne bottles. There's stylish mistress under the sheets somewhere. 4th of July level fireworks, spit-roasted pig, mountains of lobster. Gleeful tribes of sun-kissed children sprinting along the torchlit paths, fueled by unfettered access to an overflowing sweets table. Dancing under the stars, a fire hose of champagne. Men in white linen fetching flutes for ladies shimmying by the DJ. Grandma Nellie, island grand matriarch in her sea blue Indian tunic, outlasting them all, save a spirited fraction of booty-shaking young women. Cap Maison. This luxurious boutique resort in St. Lucia offers 5-star amenities in a dreamy setting. The Cap all-inclusive plan helps guests make the most of the property with included breakfast, 3-course lunches, and dinners at the restaurants, with daily specials and no buffets, in-room dining, high-end spirits, and more, plus access to non-motorized water sports. With candlelit lanterns and tiki torches lighting the night sky and the sounds of the waves as your backdrop, few places in the world rival this unique romantic setting. Now made famous in many publications, it is often described as one of the most romantic tables for dinner anywhere in the Caribbean. With a champagne zipline bringing you drinks down to you, it's hard not to enjoy this incredible spot. With an elegant luxury hotel and private villas set in a stunningly beautiful location with its secluded sandy beach and a passion for food and wine. Being both private yet near to the chic Rodney Bay area, it is in one of the most sought-after spots on the island, appealing to both the active as well as those seeking a relaxed retreat. Once Chastanet. Sister property to Jade Mountain, Once Chastanet makes the most of its St. Lucia setting, offering great snorkeling and scuba opportunities and 2 beautiful beaches. The all-inclusive plan includes all meals and most beverages served by the glass, while other packages also have unique inclusions such as diving lessons and spa treatments. Architect-owner Nick Trubetskoy believes passionately in nature, so he created a hotel that makes the foliage and the flowers, the perfumes and the peaks, the sea, and the birdsong an integral part of your vacation experience. The estate encompasses 600 lush tropical acres bordering 2 soft sand beaches. Not only do you get a World Heritage Site anchored by the Twin Peaks on land, but the resort's 2 crystal-clear bays are also part of a designated marine reserve protecting miles of colorful coral reefs teeming with tropical fishes. With such unique setting as his canvas, Nick Trubetskoy was inspired to design a one-of-a-kind resort. He was committed to an environmentally conscious development before green became fashionable. 12 rooms are tucked in behind the coconut palms that line the beach, and the remainder tiptoe up a flower-decked hillside. To make the most of the panoramic views and the refreshing trade winds, octagonal whitewashed cottages come with wraparound flower-draped balconies and louvered windows. Extra-large deluxe and premium suites underscore the visionary, innovative, sometimes whimsical side of Nick Trubetskoy. In one suite, the balcony is built around a full-grown red gummier tree. In another, a flamboyant tree drapes its red blossoms around the balcony. Some have their fourth wall open entirely to the vistas, yet are completely private. Sugar Beach Viceroy Resort. Enjoy luxe island living at St. Lucia's Sugar Beach, a Viceroy resort. The Home Sweet Home package helps guests make the most of their stay, with meals and select alcoholic beverages included. There's also a Sugar Club program for children ages 4 to 12 and a Spice Club program for older kids, so the whole family can have a fun vacation. This is where you'll find luxury in nature's embrace. Imagine enjoying a spa treatment in a rainforest treehouse, walking the soft white sands barefoot on a culinary journey, then retreating to your private cottage in the mountains. There's no doubt our luxury St. Lucia resort is here to renew you. Enjoy the serenity and beauty of 100 acres of pristine rainforest on the Caribbean Sea. It's all at the site of an 18th century sugar plantation and surrounded by the UNESCO World Heritage listed pitons. Seek seclusion in new beachfront bungalows, mountain cottages, and suites bordered by vibrant gardens. Take the opportunity to reconnect and reflect as you explore every breathtaking angle of this island's paradise. Be it hiking in the pitons, indulging in a treatment at the Rainforest Spa, or sipping a rum cocktail at the new poolside bar and cabanas. Our fine dining and beachside restaurants just got a refresh to make you truly feel in touch with the landscape. Not a day passes here without incredible memories made and peaceful moments found. Jade Mountain. Stunning Jade Mountain sits high above Soufriere Bay, with sweeping views of St. Lucia's famous pitons. The all-inclusive plan includes meals, beach chairs and towels, non-motorized water sports, and guided estate walks, among other perks. Be sure to book a suite with an infinity pool to make the most of this incredible property. Rising majestically above the 600-acre beachfront resort of Anse-Chassenet, Jade Mountain Resort on St. Lucia's southwestern Caribbean coastline is a cornucopia of organic architecture celebrating St. Lucia's stunning scenic beauty. Expect grand sweeping spaces where bedrooms, living areas, and extravagant private infinity pool glide into one another to form extraordinary platforms floating out into nature. With the fourth wall absent, Jade Mountain sanctuaries are stage-like settings from which to embrace the full glory of St. Lucia's Pitons World Heritage Site, and of course, the eternal Caribbean Sea. Wrapped around an infinity pool with a dazzling kaleidoscope of colors, the Jade Mountain Club celebrates James Beard Award winner, Chef Alan Susser's Jade Cuisine. Hovering in space above the Jade Mountain Club is the Celestial Terrace, perfect for sunset cocktails or stargazing. A wide range of spa services can be enjoyed in the privacy of the Jade Mountain Sanctuaries or at Cayon Ciel, Jade Mountain's boutique spa and fitness studio. The resort's major domos and a dedicated resort team ensure outstanding service around the clock. Enjoy the exclusivity and privacy of Jade Mountain with all of the sister resort Anse-Chassenet's restaurants, bars, boutiques, art gallery, spa, scuba, bike, and water sports facilities, as well as 2 soft sand beaches available and easily accessible to Jade Mountain guests by foot or resort shuttle at all times. Curtain Bluff. This Antigua's resort offers 72 rooms and suites just steps from the beach, including some exclusive accommodations with private plunge pools overlooking the turquoise sea. Room rates include meals, beverages, and activities such as scuba diving and water skiing. Tucked away on a rocky promontory on Antigua's south side, Curtain Bluff coaxes visitors from life's blink and you'll miss it pace into a tranquil and enchanting island paradise. Flanked on both sides by the stunning Caribbean Sea, this welcoming repose beckons visitors with breathtaking views, impeccable amenities, and unparalleled hospitality. The Curtain Bluff offers 72 spacious suites and guest rooms with gaze-all-day views of the pristine, palm-shaded beach and rocky bluff that gives the resort its name. All of the accommodations are situated directly on the sand or just a few steps from it, so you're never more than a moment away from dipping your toes in the crashing waves. In the daytime, floor-to-ceiling windows and sun-drenched terraces look across the sea to a lush green headland, while evenings unfold under a canopy of stars. And there you have it. You should be getting your bags packed to experience one of these tranquil and blissful tours. It all depends on your preference for views and amenities, but you're in for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Please like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family. See you next time.